Join me as I dive into the world of natural skincare and challenge myself to see if this honey, cinnamon, and turmeric face mask really is a miracle. I'm always on the lookout for skincare routines that are easy, effective, and all natural. And today, I'm excited to share with you a face mask recipe that's been buzzing around the internet, a honey, cinnamon, and turmeric mask that claims to tackle a range of skin issues. But what makes these ingredients so special, and can they really live up to the hype? Acne, inflammation, and dullness are just a few of the skin concerns that many of us face on a daily basis. And if you are anything like me, you've tried countless products that promise to clear up your skin, only to be left feeling disappointed and frustrated. But what if I told you that the solution to your skin woes might be hiding in your kitchen pantry? Honey, cinnamon, and turmeric have been used for centuries in natural remedies, and each one brings its own unique benefits to the table. Take acne, for instance. Honey's antibacterial properties make it the perfect ingredient for combating breakouts and reducing inflammation. And cinnamon, with its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, can help to open up your pores and leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Then there's turmeric, which contains a powerful compound called curcumin that's been shown to reduce inflammation and even out your skin tone. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric has also been shown to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. And honey, with its moisturizing properties, can help to lock in hydration and leave your skin feeling soft and supple. When combined, these ingredients create a powerhouse of a face mask that can tackle even the most stubborn skin issues. So, what exactly does this miracle mask entail? To start, you'll need 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients together in a small bowl until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Then, apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I like to apply the mask in sections, starting with my forehead and working my way down to my chin. This helps to prevent any messy drips and ensures that the mask gets evenly distributed. And trust me, the results are well worth the extra effort. After just one use, my skin was looking clearer, brighter, and more radiant than ever before. As I mentioned earlier, the benefits of this face mask are numerous. From reducing acne and inflammation to evening out your skin tone and leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful, this mask is a true game changer. And the best part, it's completely natural, making it perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. So, have you tried this face mask before? I want to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Do you have any favorite natural skincare remedies that you swear by? Let's chat about them in the comments. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more skincare tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.